Hey guys! Today we're going to be talking about teaching with fraction circles, and more specifically, Cuisinart fraction circles. Cuisinart circles are a small and compact, easy to use math manipulative. They come with 5 different circles representing different parts of a whole. They have pieces that are easy to break apart and put back together. Each of these circles has magnetic backing, so you can stick them together, which can be a fun way to show how 2 halves of the whole equal to 3 1/3. You can also stick them to a whiteboard, so you can put them up at the front of the room where everyone can see them and use them. Or if you have the individual whiteboards, it's a good way for you to do a quick visual assessment with your whole class. They would just put their pieces on the board as needed and then hold it up for you to see. Each of the circles are different representations of parts of a whole. We have 1 whole, 2 halves, 3/3, 4 quarters, 5/5, and lastly 6/6. So now we'll move into how do these math manipulatives fit in with the standards and how can we use them in a classroom. So for Georgia standards, this will actually begin in the 1st grade. We have our Georgia suitcase, mathematical standards. This will start in 1st grade, and you move down, and we need to use the standard 1GSR.4.3, partition circles and rectangles into 2 and 4 equal shares. Students should explore and justify reasoning about the relationship of parts of a whole, and should describe shares using the words halves, fourths, or quarters. Then you would move into 2nd grade at 2.GSR.7-3, where students will begin partitioning circles and rectangles into 2, 3, or 4 equal shares, and this definitely fits in with the circle part. And moving into 3rd grade even, these still would be a handy manipulative. And with the 3rd grade, even better here, compare 2 unit fractions by flexibly using a variety of tools and strategies, of which the Cuisinart fraction circles are a great tool. So now that we have some of our standards, what are the ways this can be used in the classroom and what can it look like? One of the ways that I like to think about is within comparing fractions. So I could take out a 1/2, let's do 1/4, and 1/6. You pull out these different sizes and then ask the students to show them from smallest to biggest which fractional pieces fit. And this can be also compared on a number line, but this is a great visual manipulative for comparing fractions. Then we could even use our fraction circles in comparing data. So say we take a poll in the classroom and we ask students, when you are at a birthday party, would you rather have cake, cupcakes, or ice cream? And then the data we'd show would be half of the class likes cake, 1/3 of the class likes ice cream. How much of the class likes cupcakes? After giving them this situation where 1/2 of the class likes cake, 1/3 of the class likes ice cream, how much of the class likes cupcakes. And they could find the pieces. Oh, that doesn't fit. Oh, this looks like it could fit. Oh, but not quite. So it's not a sixth of the class. It's not a quarter of the class. How about 1/5? Ah, 1/5 of the class likes cupcakes. And from there, we could even do simple addition with fractions, such as showing 1/2 plus 2/4. You have 1/2 and 2/4. How much do you have? Well, you can show them how you can put it together. And 1/2 plus 2/4 equals 1/2. And they can even take the 1/2 piece and put it together to show exactly what it looks like. Well, thank you so much, guys. This has been Teaching with Fraction Circles. Cuisinart fraction circles are an absolutely useful tool in the classroom, and I hope you enjoyed.